Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Study. Today my topic of discussion will be the topic is already in your screen, the change of tenses in our narration change series. It is the third part of the series and I will continue it till its end. So let's start. See, today I will discuss the change of tenses, and there are three tenses. Number one, present, already, present, past, and future. Today I will deal with present tense. So you have already known the reporting verb. These terminologies are already in your dictionary. The reporting verb, the reporting speech, the reported speech, and the reporting speech. So you know already the terms, and today I will tell or discuss on the change of tenses. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, then the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged. Number one, there are some basic rules. You have to follow those rules to change the narration, to change from direct speech to indirect. So you have to follow those rules and regulations, and you have to change the forms of tenses and verbs. So here are some example for you. তাহলে রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব যদি প্রেজেন্ট বা ফিউচার টেন্সে থাকে তাহলে রিপোর্টেড স্পিচের ভার্বের টেন্সের কোনো পরিবর্তন হয় না। সো যেটা কোটেশনের মধ্যে আছে সেটা রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ, দিস ইজ রিপোর্টিং স্পিচ, and this is reporting verb. So the reporting verb is here, it is in the present tense. It is said, say is the present form of the verb. The past tense of it is said, and the past participle is also the said. So here is an example for you guys. Momita says, I shall come tomorrow. So this is a direct speech, and what will be the indirect narration of this sentence? The indirect narration will be Momita says that she will come the next day. Tomorrow, as I have already discussed the change of pointer words, you have to see that video, and I will give it in my description box. The link will be given. So here Momita says that she will come the next day. So যেহেতু সেজ আছে এখানে, যেহেতু প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম ব্যবহার হয়েছে, অ্যাজ দ্য প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম ইজ ইউজড অফ দ্য ভার্ব, দ্যাটস ওয়াই দ্য টেন্স অফ দ্য রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ will remain same, will remain unchanged. There are no change happen. There is no change. So কেবলমাত্র চেঞ্জ হয়েছে কিসের? কেবলমাত্র চেঞ্জ যেটা হয়েছে, এই যে আই প্রোনাউনটি আছে, এই আই প্রোনাউনের চেঞ্জ হয়েছে। যেহেতু মৌমিতার যে স্পিচ সেটা অন্য কেউ বলছে, মৌমিতা সেজ দ্যাট সি উইল কাম দ্য নেক্সট ডে। মৌমিতা বলল দ্যাট সি উইল কাম দ্য নেক্সট ডে, যে সে আগামীকাল আসবে। সো কাম টু দ্য নেক্সট এক্সাম্পল। Basanto will say to me, I am happy to hear this. So, this is an example of direct speech. It is direct speech, and you have to change it into an indirect narration, into an indirect speech. So, what will be the indirect form of this sentence? The indirect form, from the perspective of someone else, it will be in this way. Someone, when someone utter or tells mom Bosantoj words, Bosantoj statement is told by someone else, then the narration will be in this way. Basanto will tell me that he is happy to hear that. যেহেতু এখানে বসন্ত আছে সেই জন্য বসন্তর পার্সপেক্টিভ থেকে কথা বলা হচ্ছে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই বসন্ত হিয়ার। এটা আই, হু ইজ আই হিয়ার, আই ইজ বসন্ত হিয়ার, আই ইজ হিয়ার বসন্ত, ইজ আই হিয়ার, দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইট উইল বি হি। So Basant will tell me that he is happy to hear that. This will be that. So come to the next slide. When the reporting verb বলা হয়েছে যখন রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটি, when the reporting verb, যখন রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটি past tense থাকে, the tense of the reported speech is if in the present indefinite, then it is changed into the simple past tense. So কি বলা হয়েছে, রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব, যদি রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটি আমার পাস্ট টেন্সে থাকে তাহলে ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে যে টেন্সটি ব্যবহার হয়েছে সেই টেন্সটি যদি সিম্পল প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সে থাকে সেটি ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্সে পরিবর্তন হয়। সো ইফ দ্য রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব রিমেন্স ইন দ্য ফার্স্ট টেন্স, the tense used in the direct speech, if it is in the present indefinite tense, then it will be changed into simple past tense. As for example, I have provided you here some examples to understand the fact in a better way. So here are the examples. Pooja said to Lakshmi, I sing a song. It is Pooja's statement. Pooja is saying Lakshmi something, and what is something? I sing a song. So it is the statement, and the statement is in assertive sentence. The statement is in assertive sentence. That's why here the linker that is used, and as the reporting verb is in the past tense, that's why the verb of the reported speech will be changed into simple past tense according to the tense of the reporting verb. So I think you have understood it. So come to the next slide and next rule. So present continuous becomes past continuous in direct speech. If present continuous is used here in direct speech, then in indirect narration it will become the past continuous. So present continuous becomes past continuous. Present continuous if used in the direct speech. যদি ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস ব্যবহৃত হয়, then it will be changed into past continuous. Keep it in mind that when the reporting verb is in the past tense, যখন রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটি পাস্ট টেন্সে থাকে তখন যদি রিপোর্টেড স্পিচের ভার্ব বা টেন্সটি কিসে থাকে, প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসে থাকে, then it will be changed into past continuous. So this is the example of this sentence. So Rana said to Somik, I am writing a note. Rana told Somik that he was writing a note. So Ranar kotha konti? I am writing a note. This is the statement of the speaker Rana. And when someone is saying, someone uses this 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 statement, then the narration will be formed in this way. Indirect narration will be formed. So Rana told Somik that he was writing a note. Here I is Rana, that's why he is used here, and the tense is in the present continuous tense, that's why it will be past continuous. It has changed into past continuous. And said to will be changed into told. You know, said to equal to indirect speech told. So come to the next slide. Present continuous, you can do it, you can practice it in your house, in your home, in your coffee, and I think this video will help you a lot. And come to the next. Present perfect tense becomes past perfect tense. So যদি ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স ব্যবহৃত হয়, if there is the present perfect tense used in the direct speech, then it will be changed into past perfect tense. So Arnab said to her, I have done for you. এই সেন্টেন্সগুলি সবগুলি অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সে আছে। যেহেতু অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সে আছে সেই জন্য লিঙ্কার দ্যাট ইউজ হয়েছে। So Arnab said to her, I have done it for you. So what will be the narration? What will be the indirect speech? The indirect speech will be formed in this way. Arnab told her that he had done it for her. Her, here her refers to this her. So Arnab is the speaker of this statement, and Arnab's statement is used by someone else. So come to the next slide. Present perfect continuous, যদি ডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স ব্যবহৃত হয়, it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. So what will be the example here? I have given here some example for you. Rohit said to Diya, I have been living here for 10 years. So said to will be told. I have already discussed. Rohit told that he had been living there for 10 years. So have been living, it is the present perfect continuous tense, have been living. So what will be the past perfect continuous form? The past perfect continuous form will be in this way, had been living. So here have been, here had been, and nothing else. And the linker is that, and the inverted comma, you know, inverted commas is omitted, inverted commas is left out in indirect speech. Indirect speech এ inverted comma ব্যবহার করা হয় না। So this is for today, and keep it in mind that when the reporting verb is in the present tense, present or future, the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged. যেমন I have provided you the example at the start of this topic. The farmer says, I am busy. So this tense will be remain unchanged in the indirect speech. What will be the indirect narration of this sentence? The indirect narration of this sentence, the farmer says that he is busy. So this is all for today, and keep your study learning and watch the video, and do not forget to subscribe it. Hit the like button if you really like my teaching, and press the bell icon to get further notification. Thank you guys. Bye bye.